Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to fix taskbar not hiding in full screen mode on Windows 10. So you may have experienced this, that the taskbar doesn't hide automatically while playing games or while playing full screen videos on YouTube or any other website. So there is a simple solution for that. Go to the taskbar here, right click on this one and click on the task manager here. Okay, now go to the processes. If there is fewer details here, then you need to click on more details. Okay, now go to the processes section here. Now scroll at the bottom till you find Windows Explorer here. Okay, so now Windows Explorer, right click on it and click on restart. So your screen will go blank just like this, and it will take few seconds before it comes again. Now what you'll experience is that your problem has been fixed. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.